Hi, I'm Jude. This is the Pretty Plant Project, and today I'm going to unbox some Ranunculus Corms from Field Foliage. So Field Foliage is a specialty flower farm just outside of Melbourne, and they specialise in Italian Ranunculus. So they sell corms, and I bought some. So I'm going to grow some this year. So let's unbox them and see what they look like. So I haven't grown ranunculus before, and I've never seen a corm before, so this is going to be interesting. So from Field Foliage, you're wondering what ranunculus look like? They look like this. They're a beautiful cut flower, and they grow in the cool time of year. So when summer's finished, things start getting cooler, that's when you start ramping up ranunculus growing. So they will go great guns here, hopefully, over the sort of winter and springtime. So you plant ranunculus corms in late summer or in autumn, but from my understanding, you need to wait until the temperatures cool down. So we're still currently, what month is it? It's March where I am, and it's still beautiful 20-25 degree days. So they're not quite ready to be put in the ground yet, but I'm getting ready so I don't miss the boat. They come in these two packets. So I did open these a little while back and had a sneak peek. So I got, this one's the specialty ranunculus violet. And let's see what a corm looks like. So I bought packs of five. Hold on. I want to be gentle with them. Check this out. These are ranunculus corms. Now I bought the, let's have a look. These are ranunculus corms. So I bought the standard size. Hold on, I'll pick up one and show you what it looks like. So this is what, oh my goodness, don't throw the corms around. Okay, that's what a corm looks like. It is what, the size of a 20-cent piece maybe in diameter. So they're very strange looking things. Each one of these corms should grow a plant if it's planted at the right time and looked after the right way. It'll grow a plant, and each plant will typically give between 5 and 15 blooms, and then during the season, if they grow well, they'll also grow another corm or 2 or 3 or whatever, which you can then divide, and then you'll have another ranunculus corm for your collection for the future. So they're the violet ones, and I also got some hot pink ones, I think. Hot pink? No, Pastello. This is what the Pastello looks like. They're beautiful, beautiful. So I'd love to see those in my collection. Interesting. So the violet ones are actually quite large comparatively to the Pastello. Oh, cheapers. I don't want to mix them up. Hold on. Violet goes in there, Pastello goes over here. Okay, so check these ones out. So these are the Pastello ones. So I don't know if you can see that. Whoops. Alright, check this out. This guy is tiny, so I have no doubt he'll still be a perfectly viable corm, but he's little. So that is more like a 10-cent piece, I think. So you soak your corms for 3 or 4 hours before you plant them, and that rehydrates them and plumps them up and gets them ready to live again. So it's exciting. But yeah, 2 different sizes, but I did buy the standard size. The bigger the corms, you can buy large corms, and the larger the corm, the better flower production, I believe. So yeah, we'll see, because we do have 2 distinctly different sizes. So the Italian Ranunculus are a really good cut flower variety of ranunculus. So they have long stems and lots of petals, really fluffy and beautiful, just like that. Speaking of this book, this is a lovely coffee table book that has a huge amount of gorgeous ranunculus, all the different types in it. So if you're into a bit of ranunculus eye candy, Ranunculus Beautiful Buttercups for Home and Garden is a cool book for you by Naomi Slade. It also has a little bit of information about how to grow ranunculus in it. Once the temperatures drop a little bit more, I'll plant these guys and show you the process from start to finish. Thanks for tuning in.